Hello everyone, now I am going to teach you lesson number 19 clauses, which is on page number 72. Now what is the clauses? Let's see first of all definition. A clause is a group of words that has a subject and a predicate and which forms a part of a sentence. So basically clauses have a subject and its predicate. See this example. The teacher saw that the clock has stopped. So in this sentence, the teacher is the subject and that the clock has stopped is the predicate. So predicate is start from the that. In second sentence, if you do not hurry, you will miss the plane. In this sentence, if you is your predicate and subject is you will. So, see there are kinds of clauses. First is principal or main or independent clause. You can call it principal or main clause or the independent clause. This clause has a finite verb and makes complete sentence or a sense by itself. So, it means it should have a finite verb. See the example. Jack built the house. So, in this sentence, built is a finite verb which joins Jack and this house. So, this is your principal or main or independent clause. See the second example. God made the country, man made the town. So, there are in this sentence there are two independent clauses because there are two sentences which are in one sentence only. So, God made the country is one and another man made the town is the another clause. Now, subordinate or a dependent clause. This clause also has a finite verb but does not make a complete sense by itself. See, in this type what you saw, there is a finite verb but it should be depend. It make complete sense by itself, but in this you have to, it is a totally depend on the another. It needs to be attached to a main clause to make a complete sense. So it means it should be attached. In this type there is no any attachment. In this type there is the attachment with the main clause. So see the example. This is the house that Jack built. So this is the house is here main clause and subordinated is what? That Jack built, because this sentence is depending on this sentence. This is the clause, subordinate clause, that is depending on the main clause. So first of all you should find out what is the main clause. After that you will easily find out what is the subordinate clause. Important thing, the subordinate clause in the above sentence has to be attached to the main clause if it has to make a complete sense. It means you cannot read or you cannot write this sentence without the subordinate clause. See, for instance, see, this is the house. It is making any sense? No. When you are adding that Jack built, this is the house that Jack built, then it is making the sense, and that is why it is the main clause and it is the depending on this clause. So totally it is the basically depending with each other. I hope you understand this. I will teach you next type in the next video. Thank you.